Hey everyone, if you're using Blender on a laptop, there are two essential settings you absolutely need to turn on. These will instantly make navigation faster and way more intuitive. Especially if you don't have a numpad, this is going to save you a ton of time. First, let's enable Simulate Numpad. Go to Edit, Preferences, Input, and check Simulate Numpad. Now your regular number keys act like a numpad. That means press 1 for front view. Press 3 for right view. Press 7 for top view. And if you hold Control or Command on Mac, Control plus 1 gives you the back view. Control plus 3 gives you the left view. Control plus 7 gives you the bottom view. This is super useful for modeling and aligning your camera quickly. Next, let's make navigation flow much more natural. In the same Preferences window, go to the Navigation section. Enable Orbit Around Selection. Now, whenever you rotate your view, Blender will orbit around the object you have selected, instead of some random point in space. This makes working on specific details much easier and more precise.